So guys, what do you consider as your most beautiful moment?
Most beautiful moment? Siguro, last night, nung nanalo yung team ko sa We Love OPM.
Ay,
Yun siguro yun yung pinaka-recent na maalala ko.
How about you, Nash?
Ano my most beautiful
Beautiful.
moment? Beautiful moment. Siguro, anong nagkaroon kami ng konting salo-salo since fiesta sa Cavite City, yung regada, yung basaan. So, parang since 2002, yun na ulit yung celebration namin na regada. So, parang medyo memorable siya, nostalgic. June 24.
Ito lang.
Yun yung babasain ka pag pumunta kang Cavite. Kahit papunta akong trabaho, babasain ka kasi legal.
And then, what's your reaction that you're part again of Yes 100 Most Beautiful Stars?
Of course, it's still very flattering and we still feel very honored na akala namin 1 year lang yun. Tapos iba-iba na every year. So, beautiful pa rin tayo.
What you na?
Confused?
Wondering.
Wondering. Siyempre, pa rin, nagpapasalamat pa rin. And yun, nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Yes dahil consider kami ni Alexa. Yan.
And so, invite Pepsters to grab a copy of your Yes 100 Most Beautiful Stars.
Yan, mga Pepsters, please to grab a copy of Yes Magazine's 100 Most Beautiful Stars. Ayan, kasama po kami dyan along with the other 100 beautiful stars.
Yeah. Yan, grab a copy of 100 Most Beautiful Stars.
Tongue twister siya.
Oo nga eh. So,
100
yun,
most beautiful.
guys, syempre, sa amin kasi traditional na yun eh. Kahit wala ako, since
naman.
basta bumibili kami. So, yun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.